Hello, myself Dharmik Ikan, and today I am going to give a presentation on unguided transmission media. Unguided transmission media is a media that transmits the electromagnetic wave without using any physical medium. It is also called as a wireless transmission media. Air is a main media which through the data or electromagnetic energy can be flow easily. The types of different unguided media is radio wave, microwave and infrared. First, radio wave. Radio wave is an electromagnetic wave that transmits in all direction of free space. The signals are spread widely in all the direction. Frequency for radio wave is 3 kHz to 1 kHz. The wave sent by the sending antenna can be receiving by any and different receiving antennas. That means one sender antenna sends the data and different receiving antenna receives the radio wave antenna. Advantages for radio waves is useful for multicasting when there is a one sender and many receiver. Example for that is FM radio, television and cordless phones. The disadvantage for radio wave is it is a flow frequency, so we cannot transmit a lots of and different data in a same time. Second type of unguided media is a microwave transmission. In microwave transmission, there is a different two transmission type. First, terrestrial microwave transmission. Second is a satellite microwave transmission. Terrestrial microwave transmission technology that transmits the focused beam of radio signal from one ground-based microwave transmission antenna to another ground-based microwave transmission antenna. In that case, the antennas are mounted on the towers to send a beam of another antenna which is 1 kilometer or nearly away from the receiver antenna. The antenna mounted on the towers are the direct side of each other. That means they are visible to each other. Sender antenna can see receiver antenna and receiver antenna can see the sender antenna. Advantage is cheaper than using cables. The antenna microwave transmission is cheaper than cable transmission. Communication over auction can be achieved by microwave transmission because it does not require cable and it also can flow in air. Disadvantages: environmental changes such as rain, wind can destroy the signal, and allocation of bandwidth is limited in case of microwave transmission. Second type of microwave transmission is satellite microwave transmission. A satellite is a physical object that revolves around the earth at a known height. More reliable, the satellite microwave transmission is more reliable because it does not require any cable and by using any optical fiber and a different system we can connect to the satellite. We can communicate to the any point using satellite communication. In satellite communication, sender sends the data from the to satellite from sending station and receiver receives the data from satellite in receiver station. Advantages of satellite transmission is the coverage for satellite microwave is more than terrestrial microwave. We can connect to any point in a global wise. Satellite communication is used in a mobile and wireless communication applications. Disadvantages: satellite designing and development requires a more time and a higher cost. We have to monitor every time a satellite that it is in a, or remains in orbit or it's or not. It's also take a time and many cost. The last transmission type is infrared transmission. Wireless technologies used for communication in short range is called as infrared transmission. The frequency for infrared is a range of 300 gigahertz to 400 terahertz, used for short range communication. Data transmit between two cells, TV and remote operation. It is also called an infrared transmission. In the main characteristics of infrared is it supports high bandwidth and hence data rate will be very high. We can transmit some lots of data in a small time and in a small range. Infrared waves cannot penetrate the walls, means in different rooms each other cannot intermediate in a communication in a infrared. Infrared communication is unreliable outside of the building because sun ray will interfere in the infrared. Means we cannot connect between two different buildings because the sun infrared can interfere into infrared. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.